Student, so in this video I will be discussing one topic that is called electrophiles and nucleophiles. It's a very important topic from organic chemistry, general organic chemistry in particular. So from GOC part I am discussing electrophiles and nucleophiles. So electrophiles are those species which have electron deficiency in them. Electrophiles are those species which have electron deficiency in them. They are electron deficient species. So they attack center where there is more electron, so they are electron loving in nature. Electrophiles are electron loving in nature. Electro means electron, philes means loving or seeking, so they are electron loving or electron seeking. Some of the examples of electrophiles are proton, chloronium ion, bromonium ion, iodonium ion, nitronium ion, 3-degree carbocation and all other carbocations, nitrosonium ion, diazonium ion, BF3, AlCl3. So BF3, AlCl3, they are regarded as Lewis acids. So electrophiles are also regarded as Lewis acids because they have less electron around the central atom, so they can accept electron pair. So electrophiles are Lewis acid. They are electron deficient species. They are electron loving, and I have given a lot of examples so you can remember. One question generally is asked in competitive exam from this topic. Nucleophiles. So nucleophiles are electron rich species. They are electron hating in nature because they already have electrons, so they attack centers of where there is more positive charge. So they are nucleus loving. So chloride ion, bromide ion, iodide ion, amide ion, amines, 1-degree amines, 2-degree amines, 3-degree amines, carboxylate ion, carbon ion. Carbon ions are all type of carbon ions are nucleophiles because they have negative charge. Cyanide ion, hydroxide ion, hydride ion, sulfur hydride ion. Water being a neutral molecule with 2 lone pair on oxygen, so this lone pair can be donated to the species which have electron deficiency. So water, alcohols are nucleophiles, ethers are nucleophile, thioalcohols are nucleophiles, and thioethers are also nucleophiles. So what you have seen that the species which are electron deficient are called electrophiles, and species which are electron loving are called electrophiles, and the species which are electron hating, or you can say nucleus loving, they are called nucleophiles. I have given a lot of examples so you can remember this for one question only, not expect much more. But the total organic chemistry can be defined in one line, and that is the attack of nucleophile and electrophile to form a sigma bond. The attack of nucleophile to electrophile to form a sigma bond. So this is very important topic. Do remember, student. Now let's see the difference between electrophiles and nucleophiles. Electrophiles are electron deficient. They are generally cations, but some neutral molecules which have electron deficiency, they can also act as electrophiles. The symbol of electrophile is E+, whereas the symbol of nucleophile is Nu- or Nu2 dot. That means the one pair of electron that is shown. So nucleophiles are electron rich. They are generally anions, but some neutral molecules with lone pair can also act as nucleophiles. Electrophiles, as I already told you, that they are Lewis acids, whereas nucleophiles are Lewis bases. Lewis acids are those substances which accept pair of electron. That means they are electron deficient. That's why they attack or they get electron pair from the Lewis bases, and Lewis bases are pair of electron donor. So electrophiles attack region of high electron density because they are themselves electron deficient, so they attack regions of high electron density, whereas nucleophiles, they attack region of low electron density because they are electron rich. Like benzene is an electron rich system, so it is a nucleophile. So benzene is a nucleophile, so the characteristic reaction of benzene is electrophilic substitution reaction. The characteristic reaction of benzene is electrophilic substitution reaction. When a methyl group is attached to benzene, it is called toluene. So what happens? The methyl group, through hyperconjugation etc., increases the electron density, so the nucleophilicity of benzene increases, so it undergo more faster electrophilic substitution reaction. So this was today's concept of electrophile and nucleophile. I will discuss more concept related to organic chemistry, student. Thanks for watching. This is Sandeep sir signing off. Do like and subscribe my channel for more such videos. I hope this was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.